Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Melissa. Today I'm going to be showing you two Dollar Tree DIYs. This first one I'm about to show you is the easiest thing ever. So I just picked up this doormat from Dollar Tree, and of course everything there is $1. And then to go along with that, I went to the Halloween section and I got this like felt feeling pumpkin. These are like for arts and crafts or for hanging. So I'm just going to place this pumpkin directly in the middle of this mat, and I'm going to spray paint this white. And you can go ahead and pick this up. Just be careful because your hands might turn white from touching the paint that is not dry yet. I'm going to keep this pumpkin, this stencil, because I can use it for other DIYs. But here you go, guys. Here is a super fun Halloween doormat for $2. Alright guys, here's what you'll need for project number 2. So this moss stuff I ended up not using, so we're just going to put that to the side. I did get some acrylic paints from Walmart. They're 50 cents, some sponge brushes, 2 skewers. I got these stick-on letters at Walmart for $3, and then I got these styrofoam pumpkins at Dollar Tree, as well as these square floral foam pieces. And now I'm just going to take the stems out of these 2 orange pumpkins, and we're going to go ahead. I'm going to paint one of them a pastel pink and one of them a blue. And you will have to do 1 coat. Let that dry for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then go ahead and do a second one. That way you can cover up all of that orange. So this is actually what I used these skewers for, or kebab holders, whatever you want to call them. I just stuck them in the pumpkin so that I could hold it to paint it. And then once I was done painting, I stuck it in the green foam so that it could stand up and dry. And now we're just going to use some good old hot glue, and we're going to stack these pumpkins just like I have them here. I went ahead and stacked them so I could be sure that all of the orange was covered, everything looked right. And if it doesn't, you can go back in and do touch-ups wherever needed. But just place your pumpkin on top so you know exactly where to put your glue, and then go ahead and glue these 3 together. Alright guys, after I have these all stacked and glued together and how I want them to look, I'm going to take my sticky letters from Walmart. Now you can totally freehand this and paint it on there if you want to. My handwriting is not that fabulous, so I'm going to use stickers. So I'm going to go ahead, and I wanted to put my word in the middle first, just so I could kind of see where I wanted everything to be. And so I'm going to have this stack of pumpkins say, "It's fall, y'all." And there you have it, guys. There are 2 simple, easy, very inexpensive projects. The only thing that cost the most here were those sticky letters from Walmart, which I told you were just under $3. Everything else was $1. The paints were actually 50 cents. So this is totally affordable, and I think they both turned out super cute. And of course, Miss Kova had to come say hello to the camera. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.